Hello, today we are going to answer one question from WBCS General Studies Paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. Muhammad Ali Jinnah left India from Karachi or Pakistan on March 7, 1947, or it is July 7, 1947, or August 7, 1947, or August 11, 1947. Okay, so we need to find the right answer among these given four options, as it is a MCQ type question. But here we just not only give you the right answer but also try to give a small description about the background of this answer. So let's get into it. Muhammad Ali Jinnah left India for Pakistan on 11th August 1947 as the first Governor General of Pakistan. Jinnah worked to establish the new nation's government. Jinnah worked to establish new nation's government and policies, and to aid the millions of Muslim migrants and to aid the millions of Muslim migrants who had emigrated from the new nation of India to Pakistan, who had emigrated from the new nation of India to Pakistan after independence. Personally supervising the establishment of refugee camps. Personally supervising the establishment of refugee camps. Jinnah died at age of 71 in September 1948, just over a year after Pakistan gained independence from the United Kingdom. Pakistan gained independence from United Kingdom. Okay. He left a deep and respected legacy in Pakistan. He left a deep and respected legacy in Pakistan. Innumerable streets, roads, and localities in the world are named after Jinnah. Innumerable streets, roads, and localities in the world are named after Jinnah. Several universities and public buildings in Pakistan bear Jinnah's name. Several buildings and universities and public buildings in Pakistan bear Jinnah's name. While his career influenced a number of activists, while his career influenced influenced a number of activists, including Malala Yousafzai, including Malala Yousafzai. According to his biographer Stanley Wolpert, according to his biographer Stanley Wolpert, he remains Pakistan's greatest leader. Remains Pakistan's greatest leader. Okay, so the right answer for this question is option 4. So we have successfully answered this question and try to give a small description about the background of this answer. And that's all. Thank you very much.